In this video, you'll discover everything you need to know about creatine, ideal dosages, how to take it properly, how it interacts with other supplements, its side effects, and of course, how to maximize your results in a way that will surprise you. If you follow the correct method, the effect of creatine will be amplified, and you'll see results in just 7 days instead of the usual 30. However, for this to happen, it's essential to understand how to take it, because if used incorrectly, you might just be wasting your money. Creatine is an amino acid found in various foods like red meat, but in quantities that are insufficient to make a significant difference in your body. So, what do? We take a higher dose through supplements. And what's the benefit of this? By increasing the dose of creatine, you elevate the levels of creatine phosphate in the muscles, which leads to more ATP, the energy currency of the body. This means more energy for your muscles, leading to increased muscular strength. With more strength, you can lift more weight, which in turn increases muscle volume. And as we know, volume is what science confirms as the key to muscle growth. Additionally, studies suggest that creatine can elevate IGF-1 levels, a hormone directly linked to muscle growth. It also reduces the effects of myostatin, a substance that limits muscle growth. Therefore, creatine not only increases muscle size, but also creates a favorable environment for growth. Another interesting effect of creatine is its ability to retain water. About 90 to 95% of the creatine in your body is stored in your muscles, and it draws water into them, making them appear fuller and more voluminous. This doesn't mean you'll experience water retention in your skin or cellulite. The retention occurs inside the muscles, not outside. In fact, by increasing muscle volume, creatine can even improve definition. Now, when it comes to how to take creatine, there are many myths out there. Some people say it should be taken with coffee, soda, or high glycemic index juices to improve absorption. However, studies show that the timing or type of beverage you take creatine with doesn't significantly affect long-term results. You can take it with water, coffee, or even soda with no issues. What's most important is the correct dose and consistency. Dosage is another crucial point. If you don't take the right amount, you could end up wasting money or not seeing results. There are two main methods for taking creatine: saturation and maintenance. Saturation involves taking a larger dose for 5 to 7 days to quickly load the muscles with creatine, while maintenance is a smaller dose taken continuously to keep levels elevated in the muscles. For saturation, the recommended dose is 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight for 5 to 7 days. After this period, maintenance should be done with 0.03 to 0.1 grams per kilogram of body weight. This is enough to maintain the effects of creatine. Regarding side effects, it's important to clarify that creatine does not cause kidney problems, as many people believe. Studies show that even people with only one kidney can safely take creatine. The only caveat is that very high doses might cause gastrointestinal discomfort, but this can be avoided by splitting the dose throughout the day. Additionally, you need to be careful about the quality of the creatine you buy. There are many adulterated versions on the market. Make sure to buy from reliable brands, preferably with an authenticity seal, like CreaPure, which guarantees the purity of the creatine. In summary, creatine is a highly effective supplement for increasing strength, volume, and consequently muscle size. With correct use and the right approach, you can maximize results quickly and safely. So if you want to optimize your gains and supercharge your workouts, creatine is an indispensable ally. But remember, take the right dose, the right way, and the results will show up faster than you think.